What is going on, guys? This is a new day, and sort my bloody hair. I'm getting bald, mate. I'm getting bald, getting old right now, mate. Guys, Citroen C1. We are working on the Citroen C1. I'm going to clean the car today. I've got to get the interior cleaned. I've got a few people interested in it. Chops was right, you know. This car was listed up and there was no interest at all really low offers, and I was like thinking, you know what, I'll take £1,500 for this car. It owes me about £1,700 or £1,600, so I would have taken anything at this point. Other cars, bear in mind, other cars at this year, mileage and Citroen C1 edition are going for around £3,000. 2.5 to 3 grand. Even put in the registration in Auto Trader says list this car for 2,800. Now I'm telling you straight, I've got this car for £1,900, which is absolutely peanuts. I ain't in the market for holding on to things. This car owes me some money. I'm in a situation where I don't even have a penny in my account, and I'm struggling right now. So I need to get some kind of money back just to keep on living, really, you know, with the cost of fuel and everything that seems to be gone up. I am in a situation where I'm struggling. So guys, I've decided to get on fucking tidying up these cars. So today we are gonna what is it gonna be? We're gonna wet vac the seats, we're gonna clean the interior. Got someone interested in the car and they said I'm happy to take the car as it is, but it'd be rude not to clean it. So I bought myself one of these bad boy little Rug Doctor, and this is a refurbished one from Rug Doctor themselves. 75 quid I think I paid for it on eBay. So the cost is going to cost me to clean one interior. I bought a machine to do it myself. Right guys, I am drenching the hell out of this interior, as you can see, soaking wet. So Rug Doctor here, you know, got whack the power on obviously. So power on. And this little nozzle here, think of that. So, yeah, let's give it a go. Look at that. Oh, there's swooping. Sorry I can't hold this camera. 1 minute there. Let's try to get that. Doing a good job, guys. This is the Rug Doctor in action. Got a little button here. You press that button, whack it on, and it's got that little thing moving. Turn the button off. But yeah, let's see where it goes. Installing it. 1 minute. It's a bit difficult holding the camera, but let's give it a go. Right, C1 seat. Push down, look at it, straight like that. Wow. Wow. Satisfying, motherfucker. Go. Wow. Wow, that is filthy. Let's get all these seats done. Right, I think it's looking pretty decent. Tomorrow when it dries up, you know, should look a bit better. But yeah, got someone interested in coming to see the car, so stay tuned guys. Let's continue cleaning this bad boy. It's filthy as fuck. Yes sir, look at the state though. Fur everywhere. Oh. Right guys, we are stepping to the back of the vehicle. Let's go. Look at the filth that is in there. Look at that. I mean, filthy. Anyways, right guys, as you can see, the seats have been cleaned. It's the next day now, they have dried. It doesn't look as good as I was hoping, you know, to be honest. They are very clean, believe me. It's just the lighting on the thing. I think maybe I've just used a bit of a strong chemical, but if I get really low down, you can see, I just think it's just the way that, there you go. Oh, maybe if I zoom in actually. Nah, not zooming in. Right, anyways, the car looks really good. Anyways, have a look at this. It looks really good. It's been cleaned up nicely. Does have a nice little spare wheel. You know, I think I just need to really clean up. So we're absolutely gassed, guys. We've got a bit of interest in the cars. I'm happy now, guys. Things have been a bit down for me. Have you not noticed I've not been making as much videos? I've just been feeling like I've put myself in a situation where I don't have no money coming in. I've been using my credit cards. I've been maxing my credit cards out, and I seem to be in a situation where I don't even have a penny in the bank. So it's sort of given me a really bad feeling when it comes to car trading, and sometimes wish that I didn't even start this and stay in a job. But don't give up, I guess. That's just the story is, don't give up, keep moving forward, and you know, potentially make some money. Because if you give up, you know, you get days like this when, you know, someone does want a car and you end up losing the sale. So for everyone that's starting off, just play your cards right, take it easy, don't rush, and be patient. You know, someone will come to purchase that vehicle from you, and you know, you put yourself in a situation where you're back on top rather than losing out. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and see you people in the next one. Bye-bye.